Okay. My son calls me every day he gets home. Hold on a minute. Well, we're recording, so I'll wait till talk to him. Okay, go ahead. What's next?
Um, you could separate them. So
Yes, you can.
the integral of 0 to 7 e to the 3x dx. And then it's like multiplying, right?
Yep.
E to the 4y dy.
Yes.
Then you
Okay.
have to integrate it.
Okay, so what do you get?
You pull out the 1/3
Mm-hmm.
e to the 3x. Then 0 to 7 still.
Hold on a minute. This boy is not getting he's not getting the message. Okay.
Multiply by 1/4 e to the 4y. 0 to 5.
Okay.
And then you plug it in. So 1/3 e to the 21st minus e to the 0,
You can
which
make
is
this
1.
112. Okay. So then you're going to get e to the
Oh, you already multiplied. Okay.
e to the 21.
Minus 1
Mm-hmm.
times e to the 20 minus 1.
Okay. Okay.
We allowed to use calculators?
On your test, yes.
Oh, because child.
Now on did it ask you to put in a decimal for this?
No, I found
You just wrote it like
like
that.
scientific notation.
You just wrote it like it is, right?
No, I had to write in scientific notation, so it was 5.33 times 10 to the 16th.
Oh, okay, but you did have to write it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I can leave it like that on the test.
Yeah, you should.
Okay, good. Cause I
Yeah, you should.
hope it's questions like this on the test.
Uh,
No.
I don't know if it's quite that easy, but there's, okay.
Um. Okay. Here's one. It says interrated.
Okay.
Evaluate the interrated integral from 0 to 1 and then 2 to 6.
Okay.
The square root of x plus 4y dx dy.
X plus 4y.
Yes.
Okay.
I have to solve it too.
Yeah, you gotta solve that.
Um.
So if you're integrating with respect to x first, what's happening with this x plus 4y thing?
You have to integrate it first.
No, that x plus 4y is a constant. The 4y is a constant. So basically, if you're doing on the inside, the integral from 0 to 6 of the square root of x plus 4y dx. Do that piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is u is equal to x plus 4y. Du is equal to dx. Right?
Mhm.
So if x equals 0, u is equal to 4y. And if x is equal to 6, u is equal to 6 plus 4y, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so then this thing on the inside becomes the integral from 4y of 4y to 6 plus 4y, or 4y plus 6. And then that becomes u to the 1/2 power du, right?
Mhm.
So now this is 2/3 u to the 3/2 power, evaluated between 4y and 4y plus 6. So that's 2/3. Then you're going to get 4y plus 6 to the 3/2 power minus 4y to the 3/2 power. So now you have the integral from 0 to 1 of 2/3 times 4y plus 6 to the 3/2 power minus 4y to the 3/2 power dy. So now you just integrate that.
So you integrate it. It will be, well, the powers will be 5/2 now.
Okay, so you're going to get 2/3.
Yeah, you have to multiply.
Both going to have 5/2, so you're going to get 2/5 out of both of them, right?
Yeah. Then you
Okay,
have to multiply by
4y plus 6 to the 5/2 power, and then you're going to have to divide by
1/4.
1/4. Okay, and then the other one you're going to get. So for the second one, I would take, and I would do 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. So this one right here is just 8y to the 3/2 power. That's what that one is, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I would just make that y to the 5/2 power divided by the 2/5, and I would leave the 8 there. Evaluate between 0 and 1.
Then you
Yep.
just plug 1 in for the y and the 0.
Yeah. Mhm. So you get 4/15. And then this one's going to give you 10. You're going to get 10 to the 5/2 power. And that is over 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to subtract off when you put in 0. And when you put in 0, you're going to get 6 to the 5/2 power over 4. And then you're going to get minus 8. So when you do this first integral, this one is not separable. You can't separate it like the other one because that x is attached to that 4y.
Mm-hmm.
And that 4y gets dragged along like a constant.
Just stop there.
What do you mean? You don't want me to move the screen?
No, I said, can you just stop there?
Oh,
Like,
if it was the test, absolutely.
okay. Next question.
Mhm.
Go to a different homework. You said triple integrals aren't on the test with polar coordinates, right?
Not polar coordinates, no.
Okay. It says evaluate the double integral.
The triple integrals are on the test. It's
Yeah,
one. I
just
think,
one.
yeah, one or two. One, two. I think it's one though. But go ahead. What's the next thing?
Evaluate the double integral.
Mhm.
It says D.
Over D.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
12xy dA, where D
Okay.
is the triangular region with vertices of
Okay. The vertices are
0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3.
okay. So you have 0, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 3. So that's your region right there. Okay, so that looks to me like that is vertically simple. So y starts on this line and goes to that line, and then x goes from 0 to 1. So now you got to find the equations of those lines. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why am I cold? Hold on a minute. I'm gonna get me a little shawl. I'm chilly. Okay. So what are the two lines?
Like the equations of the line?
Mm-hmm. You have to because you got to know what y is.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you're my star.
My head really hurts.
I know that's right.
Um, trying to think.
You know how to find the equation of a line.
Yeah. Hold up. I have to write it out. It's different for every point. Or you saying to find it for both those two?
What's the equation of the line y1? So y1 is the line goes between 0, 0 and the point 1, 2. So what's the slope of the line?
2.
2. And what's the y-intercept?
0.
Good. So that line is y is equal to 2x. And then y2 is the line between 0, 3 and 1, 2. So what's the slope of that line?
Um, 2/3. Oh wait, never mind. um, -2.
Mm-mm.
-1. Sorry.
And what's the y-intercept?
3.
Okay. So you're done. So you get the integral. X goes from 0 to 1. Y goes from 2x to -x plus 3. And then you get 12 xy dy dx. And then you compute that.
So you have to integrate the 12xy, right?
You can, yeah, but you can take the 12x out.
Oh, because dy dx.
And then integrate the y. So you just get 1/2 y squared. Evaluate it between 2x and -x plus 3.
And then you just plug it in.
And it goes from 0 to 1, 12x, up 6x. And then you're going to have 3 minus x squared minus 2x squared dx.
3 minus x squared is 9 minus 6x plus x squared. Then minus 4x squared. So it will be 9 minus 6x minus 3x squared. And then you have to integrate that again.
Now I would take out a 3.
I'll take out a 3.
Take out a 3, so that would be
then 3
3x.
minus, yeah.
Take out a 3, so that would be 2x squared. And take out a 3, so that would be negative x cubed. Yeah, there we go.
Then you plug it in the 1 and zeros.
18 times 3/2 x minus 2/3 x cubed minus 1/4 x to the 4th.
Wait, why did you put it over 3 again?
Why did I put what over 3?
Why did you make it 3
Integrate.
halves?
You got integrate.
Oh, you pulled out the 3 first and then wait,
I pulled out the 3 because no point in having all that extra number in there. So this was,
oh, I forgot you pulled out the x2. I was lost when you multiplied it again. I was confused.
I
Okay.
pulled what x out?
It's an x before the parentheses.
Oh, that x. Yes, yes, yes. You can't forget him. Don't forget that little guy.
Yeah. Okay. I understand now. That's and then you integrate it. Okay.
Okay. At 18 times we have minus 2/3 minus 1/4. Simplify.
Okay, good.
Am I
Just
doing your
kept-
homework for you?
No, I did the homework.
Okay.
I just wanted to review it. Um, evaluate the triple integral
Mm-hmm.
over
Over what?
E.
E.
Yeah.
Okay.
X plus 2y dv, where E is bounded by the parabolic cylinder.
Okay, so E is the parabolic cylinder.
Y is equal to
Go ahead.
7x squared, and the planes Z is equal to
And the plane Z is equal to
3x, Y is equal to 7x, and then Z is equal to 0.
say that again. Okay.
Yeah, that.
I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, so basically Z equals 0 is on the top. I'm sorry. You got Z equals 0 down here. And then you got Z is equal to 3x, right? At the top. So Z is equal to 3x looks like, wrong, this way. This is Z is equal to 3x. So Z goes from 0 to 3x. So now you got to figure out what's happening in the XY plane. So in the XY plane, you have Y is equal to 7x squared. And Y is equal to 7x. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So where do they meet? So you'd have to take 7x squared, set it equal to 7x, right? So 7x squared minus 7x has to equal 0. So factor out 7x. And you get x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x has to equal 1. And if x is 1, y is 7. Okay, so therefore this is 1. So now you can see y goes from 7x squared to 7x. And x goes between 0 and 1. That's what you got to integrate.
Okay, thank you. Is it something similar like this on the test?
I don't remember, girl. I don't remember. I wrote the test last week. I really, and I kid you not, when faculty members say that, I am not lying to you. I had to send Dr. Tanzi the test. I don't even remember what it is. Letter 1.
Okay, that's pretty much everything I had to ask.
Okay, girl, you got it. All righty. That's it for me and you.
Oh, excuse me.
Nice working with you. You take
Yes,
other math classes?
I have to take linear algebra, probability. There's other math classes.